The protostome that I chose is the pink-toed tarantula. They are scientifically known as Avicularia aviculata. They live in tropical rainforests in South America, specifically Venezuela, northern Brazil, Guyana, and French New Guinea. They like to be in trees, though you can find them in grasslands, and they like to be either in the trees or in the underbrush. They will build nests and tunnels, and sometimes they'll find debris and use that to reinforce the structure of their nests. When it comes to the food chain, they are both predator and prey. They're ambush predators, and a fun fact is that they do not rely on webs to hunt like other spiders do. They're nocturnal hunters, and they hunt small lizards, frogs, and insects. And when they are being hunted, they are hunted by large lizards and frogs, ironically, and birds. They use their fangs and size to subdue their prey, and because they are tarantulas, they're able to shoot these needle-like hairs at their prey when they're feeling threatened, and those needle-like hairs stick into the flesh of their prey and sting them. Being arthropods, their bodies are divided into two segments. As they mature and molt, they go through tagmosis, which is where the segments of their bodies will fuse to form specialized regions. Their two main segments are prosoma, which are comprised of the nervous centra and venom glands, and the other is the opistosoma, which is the abdomen area, which has the respiratory organs, the reproductive organs, heart, and part of the digestive tract. They evolved to have pedipalp, which are appendages near their mouth that they use to manipulate their prey while they're feeding. And pedipalps are also used in their reproductive cycle, with males having bigger pedipalps than females, and that's how you can distinguish them. They also have chelicerae, which holds and stores the venom which they release when they bite. When they bite, the venom will drip down their fangs, and that's when it gets into their prey. So tarantulas are obviously animals, making them eukaryotes, and they are arthropods, and specifically within the arthropod, they are Chelicerata, which is where all arachnids are. Pink-toed tarantulas, and honestly tarantulas in general, are important because they are very critical to the food chain. They're a great source of food for birds and lizards, and they also keep the insect population in check, which is very important because many insects can be disease carrying. So them eating the amount of insects that they do limits the amount of diseases that is spread. Also, without tarantulas, we would constantly be in swarms of mosquitoes, and that would quite frankly just suck. And another thing is that pink-toed tarantulas are great pets. They're really docile compared to other spiders, and they're small, so they don't take up a lot of space, and I find them personally very cute. So you could say that that is important for humans' dopamine level. Finally, these are just the sources that I used, so if you want to know more about pink-toed tarantulas, check it out.